In this comprehensive video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of cleaning the printer head on your Epson L805 printer and fixing any color missing issues. Whether you are experiencing faded prints or inconsistent colors, this step-by-step guide will help you resolve these common problems. By following our detailed instructions, you will be able to clean your Epson L805 printer head effectively and fix any color missing problems. Don't let printing issues hinder your productivity. Watch this video now to ensure your prints are vibrant and accurate every time.
Bye-bye. For more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and product reviews, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We strive to provide you with valuable information that will enhance your printing experience. Note, it's important to use genuine Epson ink cartridges for optimal performance.